So I'm going to go over how you would start to organize your Google Drive and creating folders and moving documents into folders. So right now I'm in My Drive, and there's the My Drive and there's the Shared with Me. My Drive are any documents, presentations, etc. that I create, and Share with Me are ones that other people send. So right now in My Drive I have folders that are created, but I'm going to show you how you're going to add a new folder to try to organize. So right now I'm going to go ahead and click this button up at the top that says New Folder in My Drive, and I'm going to label that Example Folder, and I'm going to hit Create. And now if I scroll down here, I can see there's my example folder. If I click on it, there's nothing in it, but I can go back to My Drive to see my folder. So I want to take something that's in My Drive that I've made. So this is a reflection that I wrote. So I'm going to check this box, and I can click this Move To folder and move it to my example folder right here by clicking it and clicking Move. Or you may just rather want to drag and drop it into the example folder. It can be done either way. So now it took it out of My Drive, but if I click on this folder, it's in there. If you have, I'm going to go to the Shared with Me, so I'm going to minimize this and go to the Share with Me. Let's say I want to do this math inventory document and move it to My Drive. I can check this box, check my folder, move to. Now some items when you move them, they'll say if you move them, nobody else can see them, which you do not want to do. So I'm going to try and see if this will let me move it into my example folder right here. So I'm going to go ahead and try and move that. And it moved it. But if I do my agenda, I believe the agenda you can't move because it'll take it away. Let me try. Click my folder, move to, example, move. Okay, so it says move out of shared folder. Other users will no longer see this item. Well, I don't want to do that because I want other people to be able to use it. So I'm going to hit cancel. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open the math team meeting agenda, and I'm going to make a copy of it so I can move it into my folder. And the way I would do that, I click on my document. Up here in the File tab within your Google Apps, there's a File, Make a Copy. So I'm going to make a copy of this, and it automatically says Copy of Math Team Meeting, which is fine. I can change the name if I'd like to, but I'm just going to say, okay, that's fine. Now it's going to put that copy into my drive. Okay, so here's my copy, and here's the original document. So I'm going to close both of those and go back to my drive. And now if I go to My Drive, it put the copy of the Math Team Agenda in my drive. So now this is my own copy, and I can click and move that by clicking this folder to my example folder that I have in here. And I'm going to move that. So that's a way just to start making folders and start organizing some of your stuff. Good luck, have fun.